so we'll do some checking.
Okay.
I'll get back with you here in just a second. Hi, you're on the air. Go ahead.
Yeah, this for a second, and we're not seeing it now. The tree line's a little higher right now. But yeah, it was down, and it looks like it's been down for a little while. There's just tons of traffic right now. I'll also mention that we're having some, our connection, we're not getting, the Verizon signal isn't so great out here. Actually, guys, that just lifted, and it's not on the ground anymore.
Okay, excellent. Yeah,
that's good news. And Matt, have you seen any debris? Did you see any of the damage along I-70 near into the Niles exit?
We did not see any damage. And I take that back, guys. We got a lot more rotations. Actually, it's a little higher up, though. It's not on the ground. It doesn't appear, but it looks to be a little bit bigger. So we'll stay on it here for a little while further. But yeah, actually, guys, it looks the smaller. That's just kind of a piece of it. So it looks to be a little bit bigger, kind of like the first time it dropped down just northeast of Swampert.
All right. Well, Matt, thank you, and stay safe out there. Appreciate it. So it is now coming up on 7:20 here at 910 KINA. Tornado warning still for northwestern Dickinson County, southeastern Ottawa County until 7:30 this evening, and still not really getting much in the way of information from the National Weather Service in Topeka on this storm. And I don't know if they just don't have enough eyes on that, so I think we may be giving you the best coverage we can with what's going on with that. I would think with all the chasers out there, you would have some folks giving some reports. And again, I'm going to be blunt. Unless you're out there chasing and you're reporting for a radio station or for the National Weather Service, get the hell off the road.
Yeah, exactly.
Period. Hey, Jerry, you're back on the air. Go ahead.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see what I see, but I'm just on the I-70 Solomon Bridge, and you can see that V off in a distance.
Yes,
it was
we
a
can.
little tiny rope, and then all of a sudden it went back up, and then it went down and went into a huge tornado a little bit earlier. And then just a little while ago, it went down again and really turned into a good-sized funnel cloud. But I don't know if you can see from the distance. There's just a little bitty rope. It goes down, and then it gets big, and then it goes back up into the wall cloud. And it's looking straight north of Solomon.
Yeah, and we right now, Jerry, got a confirmed report as of 7 miles northeast of Niles. Tornado on the ground moving northeast, and that'd be pretty close to where you're at. What you're seeing is that there is a tornado warning for northwest Dickinson County. Tornado on the ground, 7 miles northeast of Niles. They have now canceled the tornado warning for southeastern Ottawa County, so this is now into Dickinson County. Jerry, we appreciate it, and as long as we get...
check real quick, you can see it's a rope starting to come down in the distance. It's just to the north. You really have to look close on camera number one. But it gets real thin, and then it gets real wide, and then it sucks right back up. Maybe this thing is starting to die out, guys. We hope so.
Hope so. Thank you, Jerry.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
We'll let everybody know that, as Matt mentioned a while ago, they're kind of getting into a coverage that they're doing this on phone. These are phone coverages, and kind of getting into an area where there's not a lot of service with cell phones. So that's why you're not getting as much of the video now as we'd hoped. But it looks like
you can see the definite lowering.
You can see the lowering there. We're getting intermittent pictures from Jerry right now, and Matt is off once again. So it's kind of hard to keep it connected with the area that they're in following the storms.
Well, we got a chance to maybe catch your breath here for a second. I do want to tell you that the night's far from over because we have the storms now been down in Hutchinson and around the Reno County area. Now starting to move into southern McPherson County, Harvey County, approaching Marion County. We've got storms that are now forming again back around south of Dodge City, moving to the northeast. We've got tornado-warned storms down in Alfalfa, Woods, and major counties in Oklahoma moving north-northeast. The tornado watch goes until 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. We've had round 2 for this area. We've had 2 rounds today. Looks like round 3 is kind of shaping up right now. Back in the back with these storms back down in southwest Kansas and then in northwest Oklahoma. And what I'm seeing with these storms down in Oklahoma, Scott, is something I don't like. They have little tornado tornadoes on the screen, that are lighting up, and it's much like what we had here a little while ago in our area. Good morning, good afternoon. You're on the air.
A mile and a half north of Highway 18 and Solomon, straight north of Solomon, is the rogue tornado on the ground.
Rogue tornado on the ground.
Straight north of Solomon.
Straight north, mile and a half north of Highway 18.
Sir, would that have it in Dickinson County, or would that be over into Clay County at that location? I know it's pretty close to the county
I
line.
think it's approaching Clay County. It's it's moving really, really quick, probably 2 miles north of Highway,
Okay, and it's a rogue tornado.
Correct.
All right, so we appreciate it very much, sir, and you please stay safe out there.
Will do.
Thank you. Yeah, we appreciate your calls with the information, and appreciate Matt Moody and Jerry Henriquez being out. And I got to tell you, I am feeling a whole lot better than I was about an hour ago when we had the storms move through. And I think, Sam, you've got something you want to share with us right now.
Yeah, well, we're also appreciated by the people of Abilene. They said the competitor wasn't showing anything over there, and they're encouraging you guys to keep after it and keep it safe.
We will.
We certainly will.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. Now, this isn't ending by any means. Thank you, Sam.
appreciate it.
Looks like right now, I think we're getting another weather report coming down, and let's check and see if we've got a new warning.
South of Manchester tornado at 7:15, and you know what? That would be pretty much what the gentleman just told us. Manchester, Solomon, it's all kind of up in that same area. So, we're getting those confirmations right now, and that's greatly appreciated.
Got another tornado warning for Reno County. So it looks like another round coming in from the south again. Another tornado warning for Reno County. That's what we're hearing right now. That until 8 o'clock. Actually, that is a reissuance of the tornado warning.
You know, Scott, this cell that we're watching again, this cell started taking on characteristics of being wick